Let's make a pop-up ice cream page. For that, I'm just selecting a beautiful pattern paper that will look good as a cone, scoring it in half and folding it, then making some pencil mark points and then scoring it in a shape of a cone, making some hinges and putting tape on both the hinges and tapering the edges so that they don't hinder with each other when we stick it in the spread. Do as shown in the video as I'm sticking the cone in the spread. After you have stuck your cone, you can decorate the edge of your cone with some laces or some ribbon bows. And then I'm just putting some supporting pieces to make our ice cream scoops pop out. Now for the measurements, if you need the detailed cutting guide, just comment down below measurements and I will share all the details with you. For the making the ice cream scoops, I have cut out different shapes of circles on a glitter sheet and then I'm arranging it here and there, and if needed you can use a pieces of acetates to pop up your pieces. Also, more scoops you will put, more fuller your ice cream will look. It totally depends on how you want to make it look. Make sure when you're putting the center scoops, you're folding them in half and coinciding the folded line with the folded part of our base spread. Then only the pop-up will work. Finally, to decorate my ice cream, I am using some sprinkles here and a small unicorn to finish off my ice cream. I hope you like it.